जय।
पिछले जो वर्क था तो एजुकेशन के कुछ सुविधा
प्रौढ प्रताप पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर महाराज श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय। छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय।
हमारा हेड ऑफिस नासिक में गंगापुर रोड पे और हर तालुके में जितना भी इंस्टीट्यूट आता है तो उनके लिए हम डायरेक्टर कुछ भी सुविधा
प्राइमरी टू हायर एजुकेशन
प्राइमरी टू हायर एक केजी और वैद्यकीय यानी मेडिकल
95 branches है.
495
Medical, engineering, polytechnic, total
And you are the overall chairman of all the institutions.
और एक चेयरमैन है वो आने वाले
हाँ.
1 बजे
दोपहर तक आ जाएंगे मैनेजमेंट.
हर तालुका
ये हमारा
मैनेजमेंट
एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल है.
Okay, Art Science College Committee. Chairperson is Indian.
This is for college and this is for our organization, parent organization. And more than 10,500 members are there and they are involved in all this election process.
Presentation is ready. Should we start? Yes, sir. Copy लेंगे.
कॉफी
Copy लेंगे, शुरू करें.
इस साल थोड़ा सा नासिक डिस्ट्रिक्ट और इस महाराष्ट्र रीजन में बारिश का थोड़ा सा कम है. इधर थोड़ा ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम है. एरिया सब प्रॉब्लम है. ट्रीटमेंट पानी पीने का पानी का
यहाँ पर पानी खड़ी करके
नहीं करता नीचे.
नीचे
बारिश बहुत होती है लेकिन नहीं जाता.
जब मैं जब प्लेन से उतर रहा था तो मैंने कहा यहाँ पॉट्स बना रखे हैं हार्वेस्टिंग के लिए. हर
ये हमारे एजुकेशन ऑफिसर मराठा विद्याभ्यास
ओके
जो हमने बोला आपको एक मिनिस्ट्री मिनी मिनिस्ट्री जो नासिक में बैठती है.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क करते हैं वहाँ का डेली जो प्रॉब्लम्स
you address this.
He coordinated between college and the parent organization.
ये हमारे केटीएम कॉलेज के नैप कोऑर्डिनेटर है माय पर्सन.
अच्छा
I am from KDHU college, ITS college from there and we got UGC Parama scheme and under that UGC Parama scheme we are mentoring this college.
उनका CGPA बहुत बढ़िया है. और भी
person and Dr. Anup Goswami, member coordinator,
and Dr. Ajay Saxena, member. I happily welcome in my institution. This is the Nashik district area. In total, Nashik district, 15 talukas in there, and the Nashik is the third largest district in Maharashtra, and population is 61 lakh 9,000. Aroundly 15 talukas are there, and Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj jurisdiction or branch history, branch expanded in only Nashik district. This is the great visionary of the Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. He is the founder of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. First, Rao Sahib Thorat. Second, Bhau Sahib Hire. Third, Kaka Sahib Wagh. Fourth, Anna Sahib Murkute. Then Ganpat Dada More, Dr. D.R. Bhosle, Advocate Baburao Thakre, Advocate Vittal Rao Hande, and Dr. Vasantrao Pawar. He inspired from Karmavir Rao Sahib Patil and Mahatma Phule and the Shahu Maharaj. He founded Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, established in 1940, is a public trust, and the motto of the institution is Bahujan Hitay, Bahujan Sukhay, means well-being and happiness to all. This is the bird eye view of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj is legacy over 109 year olds. He started from 1940 for the only 4 students. This is the 4 student, and the hostel is Sri Udaji Maratha boarding, and latestly institution strength is 2,20,000 students, and the snapshot is in 1940 and then 2024. The Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj first primary school started in Maratha High School 1936, and senior college 1965 at Satana, first professional college 1982 pharmacy college, and the first medical college established in 1990, Dr. Vasantrao Pawar Medical College. This is the largest 100 bed, thousands bed hospital in North region in Maharashtra. This is the profile of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. Life member 10,197. He is voting in every 5 years in general election or democracy type institution. Employee member 463. Institute employee 10,258. Student 2,20,889, and budget is around 991.68 crore, around 1,000 crore, and the branches in Nashik district 492. There will be no bus, but MEP school is there, and the democracy type management, and the election in every 5 years, and the jurisdiction only Nashik district, no other branches in other district or other state. This is the branch summary of 492. This is the remarkable pre-primary school 74, primary school Marathi medium 17, secondary school 158, higher secondary school 61, art, commerce, science, traditional college 22, and other professional college single. This is the growth and toward the professional branch, architecture, engineering, agriculture, fine art, ITI, law college, medical college, CBSE pattern school, management school. This is the executive council. General Secretary Nitin Baburao Thakre, Sarchitnis, he working as a more power. President is not more power, but president resigned all executive council have resigned. There is a daily working panel. Next. This is the board of director. Every Tehsil member, like MP, MLA. This is Amit Borse, Nandgaon Tehsil director, and latest constitutional amendment. 2 lady members are added. Woman representative, or staff representative are there in 2 members. Let's go on institutional profile. Art, Commerce and Science College, Manbad. The college is established in 2007 and the 18th number of institution in order of establishment. He is affiliated to State University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, and my college is also ISO certified. This is the snapshot of inauguration photo of this building.
This is ISO certified college.
This is the location map and the catchment.
In which year it is? In which year it was certified? Is साल में certified हुआ है?
Previously,
23. Can we put the question in the last?
Yes.
लेकिन आपका ये असेसमेंट का जो पीरियड है वो 2018
22 तक ही था.
22
17
17 to 22.
17 to 22. Commitment to provide and avail quality education, emphasizing of all-round development of the student to foster, impact and inculcate culture, ethical and universal human values. And mission is to provide skill-based, affordable quality education for the upliftment of underprivileged, rural, socially and economically backward section. And the value is quality, discipline, transparency and sustainable development. Transparency in the terms of all record will be open for all stakeholders. RTI is implemented on 2005, but the institution follow this since establishment. We are ready for NEP. College preparation for NEP. NEP implementation in academic year 2024-25 at UG level. PG level also already started in next back year. All course syllabus is ready by affiliating university. IPC organize National Education Policy Implementation Workshop for teacher. College offer big basket for the student because all subjects are special in there and the separate classroom available for each major subject. This is the snapshot of NEP implementation workshops. Next. Academic program. College offer 2 faculties, art and commerce. In arts faculty, 6 special subject is there: BA Marathi, BA English, BA Hindi, BA Geography, BA Politics, BA Economics. And the commerce side is the 3 subjects are special: cost and works accounting, banking and finance, and marketing management.
So these are regular courses of BCom.
Yes.
You do not have honors.
Honors. Regular. New academic program. College submitted proposal to affiliating university, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and the final committee will be reached in very soon. The new program was started in 24-25 is Science and Technology, BSc, and Bachelor of Computer Application. It's called DBA CA.
Has it already been started?
No, they intend to.
Next June.
They intend after this.
Admission process. This is the admission process portal of whole Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj institution, and around all colleges are involved in. Student can put their merit form and selected the institution 4-5 preference and get their application and take admission. All courses is online and monitoring by Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj institution. Next, choice-based credit system is implemented in 2019. The course structure is BA and BCom, 132 credits, and provision for additional credit for BA and BCom, both democracy, election governance, physical education, and other activities and credit are there. NEP credit system with effect from academic year 2014-15. Same structure, 132 credits in there, but major, minor, IKS, open elective, skill enhancement course is there, and the entry and exit point structure is ready for affiliating university.
Yes, Pintuja, I would like to interrupt you here. What is the flexibility of these courses? Can a commerce student can opt political science or a subsidiary subject?
Yes, open elective. ओपन इलेक्टिव का जो कोर्स है,
हाँ,
ये ओपन इलेक्टिव अलग ब्रांच के लिए हो रहता है।
हाँ,
मतलब बीए इकोनॉमिक्स का स्टूडेंट है तो वो ये ओपन इलेक्टिव वाला नहीं लेगा, वो दूसरे ब्रांच के ले सकते हैं, कॉमर्स और साइंस वाले। ये बनाया है, एक कोर्स ऐसा बना है कि वो अलग फैकल्टी के स्टूडेंट ले सकते हैं।
the flexibility is there, लेकिन ये तो nesting तो सही होगी ना?
हाँ, यूनिवर्सिटी के मतलब हमारे इधर एक ऐसा है कि सब स्पेशल सब्जेक्ट है तो हमारे बच्चों को ज़्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी देती है। कई जगह पे स्पेशल सब्जेक्ट कम रहते हैं, 2-3 ही स्पेशल रहते हैं तो उनका स्पेशल नहीं रहता।
आपके स्पेशल सब्जेक्ट्स का क्या है? तो डेमोक्रेसी और वो क्या है?
नहीं, मराठी, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, पॉलिटिकल साइंस, इकोनॉमिक्स एंड ज्योग्राफी।
These course पाएंगे।
6 टोटल, जितने जनरल है उतने स्पेशल है।
Okay.
तो हमारे बच्चों को ये लेने में दिक्कत नहीं होगी, बास्केट हमारा बढ़ जाता है। जब भी अगर वो जनरल लेवल पे रहता तो खाली एक ही सब्जेक्ट उनका यहाँ पढ़ा था तो उनका प्रॉब्लम दिक्कत आती। यहाँ पे ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसीलिए हमें आर्ट्स में और कॉमर्स में नए सब्जेक्ट शुरू करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन ब्रांच नहीं है इसीलिए हम साइंस शुरू कर रहे हैं। तो साइंस के बच्चे इधर का ओपन इलेक्टिव ले सकते हैं और आर्ट और कॉमर्स के बच्चे साइंस का ओपन इलेक्टिव ले सकते हैं। ये अपॉर्चुनिटी एनईपी में अभी आ गई है। Curricular planning and implementation. Curricular planning, college prepare academic calendar, timetable, HOD and staff meetings, teaching plan, and the induction program of first year entry student. And the delivery system is lecture, ICT, Google Classroom, book facility, and student-centric method. Important aspect of the academic calendar is the academic calendar of departmental activity, planning of multiple activity of respective committees, planning of extracurricular activity like NSS, cultural department, and etc. Activities of the sport department including the prize distribution function, planning of examination department of the college, the tentative schedule of university examination, university schedule of holiday, vacation, term end, and term start date, arranged by the college, and around 500 students benefited this certificate course. Certificate course name, duration, and participant student list table are there. Next. Cross-cutting issue in curriculum, gender issue, environmental issue, social issues, human rights, human value and professional. All total 71 issues is included, cross-cutting issues included in the curriculum. Student undertaking project work and field work. This is the chart of subjects and code number and class and the number of student participation in project work, art and commerce both. This is the feedback system. College take a feedback previously 3 year in offline system, and then college introduce the online feedback system. We collect feedback from all stakeholders, analyze action. This is the category wise enrollment. Reservation policy is open 50%, OBC 19%, SC 13%, ST 7%, and other 11% Government of Maharashtra and the Savitribai Phule Pune University, and the college follow all rules of reservation. Teaching learning process. College adopted a student-centric teaching learning method. Teacher use in field and industry visit, classroom teaching with ICT, group discussion, problem solving method are adopted, and all process verified by head of department and monitoring by IPC and the principal. Next. Evaluation process and reform. The college has initiated continuous and comprehensive internal evaluation CIE under the norms and guidelines of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Computer with internet accessibility, copier, UPS, electric generator, strong room, furnace room for conducting central assessment program. And the great thing is college is also CAP center of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Central assessment program are submitted in online, separate timetable for the conducting tutorial and the in the academic year. All examination under CCTV surveillance. The college use barcode system for the written examination. The answer sheet are shown to student after evaluation of their information, and the marks of internal examination are displayed on notice board and the college website. And the special internal examination is conducted for those students who are engaged in various co-curricular activities. If the student grievances is not redressed properly by the subject teacher, a student can put their queries, examination related queries directly to principal. Student performance and learning outcome. Course outcome, program specific outcome are communicated to the student via website and the particular department. This is the first snapshot, is the course program outcome and program specific outcome are uploaded on the college website. And the evaluation of PO and CO's attainment through special mechanism. The mechanism is divided into two methods. First is direct method and second is indirect method. Direct method means calculate their score in internal and external marks by mark sheet. And the indirect method is college collected a program exit survey after the completion their degree, and the rating of the each question and the data filling in separate Excel sheet, and the calculate is the direct attainment and indirect attainment, and the value weightage of the 50%, and the target final attainment value 2.48 is a low for 1 is for low and 2 for medium and 3 for high. The result of college result. Next. Student satisfaction survey. College conducted separate student satisfaction survey in Google Form, and this is the first snapshot of SSS by conducted by NAC. Next. Resource mobilization for research. Research grant received in first 3 years 20,000, 51,000 and 30,000. One minor research project are taken in the college professors. Next. Innovation and ecosystem. Promotion, college take effort of promotion of research, IQAC and ERC committee take encouraging for participation in research activity, awareness about various funding agency, provide adequate infrastructure and participation in research, competition and exhibition. And the outcome of this initiative, the college teacher published their research paper in UGC tier list is 19, submitted research proposal is 1, Avishkar research competition participation of the student 4, doing PhD or pursuing PhD is 2, and the written book by the professor is 3. Next. College organized self-funded workshop in the last 6 years. The name of the workshop, number of the participant, and date of the from and to and from. Next. This is the snapshot of workshops. Lastly organized in February 3rd and 2nd and 3rd February ADP implementation in UG level workshop. Yes. Research publication and award. The research publication is year-wise, and the book publication and the teacher, college teacher award, best teacher award for the same teacher in 2 times in their period. Extension activity. Extension activities run by NSS sport competition and cultural program. The extension activity chart is there. Organizing department and the program name and the event date. Next. This is the snapshot of extension activities run by the NSS. Next. The cleanliness drive, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Next. Newspaper cutting for these activities, media coverage, health awareness in college, regular student checkup, medical checkup for the first. This is the infrastructure, seminar hall, particular और उनका स्क्वायर मीटर में ये दिया है. Seminar hall, meeting hall, library, reading room, IQVC and record room, principal cabin, restroom, health center, gymkhana, canteen, office, examination department, strong room, department of अलग-अलग department, each and every department special, commerce, Marathi and English, economics and politics, geography, girls common room, boys common room, NSS, National Service Student Development Office, computer lab with 16 PCs. Next. Boys and girl toilet, green gym, 3 types of ground, kabaddi, kho-kho, kabaddi, and 400 meter running track. Another classroom, a ramp for disabled student and wheelchair, RO water purifier, generator, and bus. Next, growth in information center, library, the year-wise book purchase and the journal subscribe, and the total book in the library 2,984, and the English for e-journal 35,000 books and 600 journals is available on the e-format. Information resources, reference book and textbook are divided in when 2,984 distribution is running, tracking there. Next. This is the sport facility, indoor and outdoor. Outdoor game, volleyball, football, kabaddi, kho-kho, cricket, shot put, long jump, single and double bar, and archery. And indoor facility, chess, carom, 6-station gym, cycle, electronic, and weightlifting. Student participation in sport competition. This is the chart of student participation in inter-college, zonal, and national level student. 2019-20 and 2021, in the COVID pandemic, student activities are not run by the university or the government, and the other participation last year, current year 23-24, inter-collegiate 19 students are participation. Next, this is the snapshot of college organized competition. College James in sport. This is the Kunal Darade in Kusti, and this is the Samadhan Domade. He is selected in the police, Mumbai police. Next, this is IT infrastructure. IT infrastructure, computer in college 13, CCTV are 28, printer 6, Xerox machine 2, LCD projectors 1, KYN smart board 1, interactive panel 1, and Wi-Fi router 4 for the student and staff. Maintenance of campus infrastructure. This is the chart of maintenance on the infrastructure. Next, student support and progression. College offers scholarship in 3 types. First, government scholarship for SC, ST, NT, OBC student. Scheme is post-matric scholarship, and the other scheme is Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj Shikshan Shulk scheme. Is the refund of tuition fee, only tuition fee for the student. And the second scholarship getting from Savitribai Phule Pune University, and especially for girl and poor boys. And the third is Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj scholarship, but no any student get this scholarship in last 5 years. The government scholarship is their value in 2017-18, 134 students are benefited and 9,31,000 fund distributed to the student. The total last 5 years, 77,84,993 rupees are distributed from the government scheme. The university scholarship. The university scholarship is the academic year, number of beneficiary amount, total 1,20,000 amount getting from the Savitribai Phule Pune University by student account. Student progression, who is due to further higher education. 2017-18, 34 student, 18-19, 25, 19-20, 16, 2020-21, 15, 21-22, 20, and 22-23, 25. And the qualifying of state and national examination is a small number, but he qualified and state and national examination. Next, this is our alumni. Alumni, this is the registered alumni association. This is the member list of the alumni, and the certificate is here. Next, our alumni, responsible citizen and national builder. 3 alumni are lawyer, 32 alumni in working in the government sector, 30 alumni are accountant, 10 alumni as a teacher, 90 alumni as a farmer, 125 alumni as a trader, and 52 alumni as a businessman, and many more. This is a snapshot of alumni meet and the media coverage. Next, our JMIT alumni in sport, Miss Trupti Parashar is the college college alumni, and she presently working international coach of weightlifting. Our social responsibility, fulfillment of vision, mission, and the activities, national anthem, soft skill development, character building initiative, value education, use of technology, reading culture, discipline, and teaching as per the fabric of of the student and society. Fulfillment of vision and mission. The college run activities, COVID awareness campaign, Khadandari Mukta Abhiyan, voter registration campaign, voter awareness campaign, university voter awareness, and the college is the authorized election center of the Savitribai Phule Pune University. Fulfillment of vision and mission. This is the snapshot of activities. Awareness, tree plantation. Next, cultural activities. Award and honor. Award of Parent Institute. This is the Sarchitness of Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, and the middle is the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, and the last is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, third generation Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. This is the MP from Maharashtra, and the second award is ex Honorable Sarchitness Nilima Pawar, Nashik Bhushan Award. This is the college award, ISO 9000-2015 certified, and the date of issue is 6th April 2023, and the expiry date 26. And the next award is Gandhi Research Foundation. Gandhi Research Foundation MOU with Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj. He only worked for Mahatma Gandhi's thoughts, and every year he conducted the examination of Mahatma Gandhi thoughts, and the college got a best prize, and this year college student is the first in Nashik district. And the student welfare best practices. Group insurance for the student, bus facility, right to information, soft skill training, placement cell, counseling center, inclusive practice for socially and economically backward student, and grievance for examination, anti-sexual harassment and anti-ragging cell. This is the snapshot of placement cell and campus interview by ICICI Bank campus trial. Student welfare and best practices, women empowerment, Nirbhay Kanya Abhiyan, Vidyarthini Vyaktimatva Vikas, National Integration Program, Internship Training, Competitive Examination Center, and this is the snapshot of these activities. Student participation in various activity, Avishkar, research competition, he get per hour 55 rupees remuneration for the student for internal college works, and the maximum limit is the 3 hours daily. The Karmavir Gaurav Patil earn and learn skill. And the below poverty line student enroll in this scheme, and the last 2 years chart is there. In the COVID pandemic, and this scheme is not run by properly. Next, career guidance activities. This is the snapshot of career guidance programs. The special feature of college is Wi-Fi campus, dynamic website. Website URL is www.acsmanmadcollege.ac.in. Facebook page, dress code for principal, faculty, student and supportive staff. Value orientation, neighborhood community development, compulsory medical checkup for the first year admitted student, research competition for student like Avishkar, self-help, earn and learn scheme, teacher evaluation from student, paperless work, G-Suite, and internal email for communication, and the registered alumni association. Other special feature is student feedback on curriculum, student feedback from alumni and parent, career guidance, stakeholder involvement, bus facility on no profit, no loss basis, and social awareness rally. And the facility provided by the college, RO, water filter and water cooler, separate common room for girl and boys, girl common room with sanitary napkin and vending machine, exam hall with all update facilities, Infinibnet, ceiling fan and LED in classroom, LCD projector and KY and smart board, fire extinguisher, restroom and healthcare center. This is the one of the scheme of designed by the Parent Institute. The scheme is voluntary, but all students participate in this scheme, insurance policy, and this is also the best practice of the college.